Hello all my dear student friends. Welcome to this session. Today let us study the concept of least count of a measuring instrument. So the least count of a measuring instrument is defined as the smallest value that can be measured by that particular measuring instrument. The smallest value that can be measured by the measuring instrument is called its least count. So the least count is specified for a particular measuring instrument. If the measuring instrument is changed, the least count may change. So two measuring instruments measuring the same physical quantity may have different least counts. So it is also true that the difference in the value which is measured, the minimum difference in the values which is measured is always more than the least count. So the difference in the two values measured by a particular instrument cannot be less than the least count of that particular measuring instrument. So if we take the example of a simple meter ruler, a simple scale, you will find that the divisions which are marked on that particular scale are having a distance of 1 mm. So if you take this particular ruler which is at the lower side, so you will find that if you take this as 0, this will be 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4 centimeter, and this distance, very small distance between the two markings, two graduations, is 1 millimeter, 1 mm. So the least count of this ruler is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. But if you take this ruler, you will find that there are no markings between 0 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So the least count will be 1 centimeter, because we cannot measure the distance less than 1 centimeter with the help of this particular scale. But with the help of this particular scale, we can measure the distance less than 1 centimeter. We can measure the distance minimum 1 millimeter. Here if you take the value from 0, you will find that this distance from 0 of this line is nothing but 3.7 centimeter, that is 37 millimeters. But if you go one graduation ahead, one marking ahead, immediately the adjacent marking, the next marking, here you will find that the distance is 3.8 centimeters. From 0, the distance of this line is 3.8 centimeter, that is 38 millimeters. 38 millimeters. So 38 millimeter minus 37 millimeter will be 1 millimeter. 38 millimeter minus 37 millimeter will be equal to 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter the least count of this scale. So 1 millimeter means 0.1 centimeter is the least count of this scale. So if we take the other instruments like the vernier caliper, the least count is even less, that is 0.1 millimeter. We are having the vernier calipers of least count 0.1 millimeter, and even below that our micrometers are having the least count of something like 0.01 millimeters. An instrument can measure smaller changes in a value relative to another instrument, has a smaller least count value, and so more precise. So that instrument will be more precise which can measure smaller changes in the value compared to other instrument. So if the least count of the instrument is less, then only it can measure smaller changes in the value. The smallest change which can be measured by an instrument, the smallest change in value which can be measured by an instrument will be equal to the least count of that particular instrument. So here you can see that if you consider this lower scale, then here you have seen that this distance is 38 millimeters, this is 37 millimeters. So 38 millimeter minus 37 millimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. Therefore 1 millimeter is the least count of this particular scale, because the difference which can be measured cannot be less than 1 millimeter, right? So the minimum difference which can be measured is 1 millimeter. We can't measure the difference below 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is the least count of this scale. But if you take this particular scale, you can measure the difference of 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, if you take the difference 3 centimeter minus 2 centimeter, you get 1 centimeter, or 4 minus 3 is centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, or even 2 minus 1, 2 centimeter minus 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 centimeter, and therefore the least count of this ruler will be 1 centimeter. Now if we take the example of a vernier caliper, so the least count or vernier constant of a vernier caliper is the difference between the value of one main scale division and one vernier scale division. So this is one method to find the least count of a vernier caliper. So this is called as the least count or vernier constant of a vernier caliper, that is the difference between the value of one main scale division and one vernier scale division. So let us try to calculate. For this purpose, let us assume that the value of the smallest division on the main scale is 1 mm. Generally we have the vernier calipers whose main scale is such that the value of the smallest division on the main scale is 1 millimeter, and suppose that the total number of divisions on the vernier scale is equal to 10. So the vernier calipers are available which are having the number of divisions on vernier scale is equal to 10. So and 10 vernier divisions coincide with 9 main scale divisions. So we have a vernier caliper. Imagine a vernier caliper whose 10 vernier divisions coincide with 9 main scale divisions. So this is the vernier scale, and these are the 10 divisions of the vernier scale, 0 to 10, and they coincide with the 9 divisions of the main scale. So from here to here we have 9 divisions. If this moves slightly to the left, so this will also move slightly to the left. So this will coincide with this, and this will coincide with this, and here we are having 9 divisions, and here we are having 10 divisions. So 9 divisions of the main scale coincide with the 10 divisions of the vernier scale. So then 10 vernier divisions will be equal to 9 main scale divisions, and that is equal to 9 mm. Okay, because one main scale division is equal to 1 millimeter, therefore 9 main scale division will be equal to 9 millimeter, and that is equal to 10 vernier scale divisions, and one vernier scale division now will be equal to 9 upon 10 mm. So that is equal to 0.9 millimeter, and we know that one main scale division is already 1 millimeter, and therefore the least count will be equal to 1 minus 0.9, that is equal to 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. So least count is equal to 1 minus 0.9. So what is 1? 1 is the value of the single main scale division. One main scale division, value of one main scale division is 1 millimeter, whereas 0.9 is the value of one vernier scale division, and that we have found out in this way, that 0.9 is equal to 9 upon 10. So 9 millimeters, 10 vernier scale divisions occupy a distance of 9 millimeters, which is equal to the 9 main scale division, and therefore we get all these calculations, and we find the least count of the vernier caliper as 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. So there is one more way of finding, one more formula, mathematical formula for finding the least count of a vernier caliper. So again, imagine that the value of the smallest division on the main scale is 1 millimeter. Total number of divisions on the vernier scale, they are 10. Now 10 vernier divisions coincide with 9 main scale divisions, like this. And let us go ahead to see that this distance between two divisions, two main scale divisions which are adjacent to each other, that is nothing but 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter is the least count of main scale, not the vernier caliper but the main scale. So this distance between these two markings is nothing but 1 millimeter. So in that case, the least count is equal to smallest division of main scale, that is 1 millimeter, divided by the total number of divisions of vernier scale. So the total number of divisions on the vernier scale are 10. So I should not say 10 millimeter, I should say only 10. So 1 millimeter upon 10 is equal to 0.1 millimeter. So this millimeter you should rub. So 1 millimeter upon 10 divisions on vernier scale is equal to 0.1 millimeter. So let us study this properly once again. The least count of the vernier caliper can also be defined as the ratio of the value of smallest division on main scale. Ratio of the value of the smallest division on main scale to the total number of divisions on vernier scale. Total number of divisions on vernier scale. So that ratio. So again, smallest division, value of smallest division on main scale divided by the total number of divisions on vernier scale. So the least count is equal to 1 upon 10, that is 0.1 millimeter, that is 0.01 centimeter. That is again the least count of the vernier caliper. Now this least count is very important in order to get accurate readings of the instruments like vernier caliper and screw gauge in the various experiments. So you can take vernier caliper or screw gauge and any other measuring instrument. The least count of any instrument of such instruments like the vernier caliper and the screw gauge is equal to main scale least count divided by the divisions on secondary scale. So secondary scale may be the vernier scale in case of vernier caliper, or it may be the circular scale in case of screw gauge. So let us try to find the least count of the screw gauge. So this is the screw gauge. So this is the main scale and this is the circular scale, right? So here you can see that the value of main scale, the smallest division on main scale is 1 millimeter, and the circular scale divisions are 100. We are having 100 divisions on the circular scale. So as we rotate this particular screw, you will find that you can see all these divisions. So these divisions will be increased from 40, 45, then 50, 55. So from 0 to 100 we are having 100 divisions on this particular circular scale, rotating scale. So this is the linear scale, and say it is 1 mm, not 0.5 mm, 1 mm. So the least count is equal to pitch of the micrometer. Pitch of the micrometer means if you rotate the circular scale, if you rotate that screw by one rotation, if one rotation is completed, then this particular distance covered will be equal to 1 millimeter. Though the markings are at 0.5 mm, but here after one complete rotation, the screw will move along the main scale by 1 mm. So the pitch of the micrometer is 1 mm in this case. So the least count is equal to pitch of the micrometer divided by total number of circular scale divisions. The total number of divisions on the circular scale are 100. So the least count is equal to 1. 1 means 1 mm, that is the pitch of the micrometer. That means when the one complete rotation of the screw takes place, then this particular screw will be moving ahead by 1 millimeter. So that is this one, and 100 number of divisions on the circular scale. So 1 upon 100 is equal to 0.01 mm is the least count of this particular screw gauge. Again, let us study in detail the least count of the vernier caliper. So the concept of least count of measuring instruments: whenever two different scales having slight differences in sizes are used, then the difference between them is utilized for the purpose of accurate measurement. So we are using two scales, one is the main scale, another is the vernier scale. So here you can see that the 24 divisions of main scale coincide with the 25 divisions of the vernier scale. So here you have 24 divisions of main scale, 24 divisions of main scale. This is the main scale and this is the vernier scale. The top scale is the main scale and the lower scale is the vernier scale. So from 0 here the number of divisions are 24, and the distance between each division is 1 mm. So this distance will be 24 mm, 24 millimeter, and the number of divisions on the main scale are 24, and they are coinciding with the 25 divisions on vernier scale. So this is the vernier scale. You can see the number of divisions are 25. So again we can see here that a measuring instrument has a main scale with 24 divisions or graduations which are coinciding with the 25 divisions of the vernier scale. So here you will find that the 24 divisions of the main scale, from 0 to here we get 24 divisions of the main scale, and they are coinciding with the 25 divisions of the vernier scale. And the graduation along the main scale is having a distance of 1 millimeter. This is the main scale and the graduations are 1 millimeter apart. So 25 divisions show total length of main scale as 25 millimeter, whereas 25 divisions on vernier scale measure only 24 millimeter. Therefore, value of each division on vernier scale is 24 upon 25. It is slightly less than 1 millimeter. Okay, and that is equal to 0.96 millimeter. So we have to say that smallest division on vernier scale is 0.96 millimeter, whereas value of smallest division on main scale is 1 millimeter. So least count can be calculated by using two methods: value of one main scale division minus value of one vernier scale division. Least count LC is equal to value of one main scale division minus value of one vernier scale division. Value of one main scale division is 1 and value of one vernier scale division we have calculated as 0.96, that is 24 upon 25. 24 upon 25 is 0.96 because 24 divisions of main scale coincide with 25 divisions of vernier scale. So the least count comes to 0.04 millimeter. And the least count can also be calculated as ratio of the smallest division on the main scale to the number of divisions on vernier scale. The ratio of the smallest division on the main scale to the number of divisions on the vernier scale. So the smallest division on main scale is 1 millimeter and the total number of divisions on vernier scale are 25. So 1 upon 25 is also 0.04 millimeter. So you see that the least count is same by both the methods. So thank you my dear friends.